Welcome back to Tech Tip Thursday with Bass Boat Electronics. I'm Chad, and today we're going to talk about proper wiring on your bass boat electronics. So, a lot of your manufacturers have their recommended wire size. Some do 12, some like 10. It just goes on and on. Also, you have companies that make pre-built wiring harnesses, or like we do, we make our own with our materials we have here. For each custom harness we build for each customer's boats, we have anywhere from 18 gauge all the way up to 6 gauge wire. We even have single 6 gauge and 4 gauge wire for like trolling motor installs, triple battery setups, whatever we need to do, we have the wire. Second is battery power with this. You have to have a good solid battery if you're going to run multiple electronics, especially if you're running 4 graphs. Again, I'm just running 3 right now, so I run one single 31 AGM, and it cranks my Optimax, cranks my electronics, everything, no problem at all. I have no interference. Voltage drop is about half a volt with the way I have mine ran. It does good. I never have graphs go off when I crank the big motor. That's a big thing we get called about every day almost here. Why is my graphs going off? Why is my graphs flickering? Wire size is very important because you cannot take 14 gauge wire and run to a Helix 15 and expect it to stay powered all day long without flickering. All right, let's take a look at our most common fuse blocks that we sell here at Bass Boat Electronics. This is the 6-position fuse block. We also offer it in a 12-position. For those that just want to run the wire directly to the block and use this to put your fuses in, it's a great clean look, easy to maintain. If you blow a fuse, pop the cover off, change the fuse out, you're good to go. Most of our Triton boats that we see come in here have this block. This is one that you would want to run your inline fuse holders to your connected leads to your graphs. It's a little less cleaner look, but it'd most likely be mounted under the dash or in the bilge, out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. Both of these covers have protective clear covers on them, so they are not in the elements completely, so you do have some protection. Again, make sure you have the proper fuses, breakers at the battery, and you'll have a very successful boat. As always, we appreciate it. Check us out online, bassboatelectronics.com, and we'll see you on the water.